Okay, here we are again with another Bujur pump. Both these belong to the same customer. There's the other one that we previously tested and is operating absolutely right now, perfectly. And it actually, this one here, pegged our needle beyond 600 psi. So we know it's good. I'm dropping stuff all over the place. Will you grab that little thing for me there? Thank you. Okay. Now, interesting, once again, we're supplying vacuum to this unit here through a wide open unit. Normally, they have a restrictor valve in them like this, so that it operates the pump very slowly over a long period of time, and you aren't gushing oil out all over the road. So, and out of interest as well, this restrictor valve came to us supplied by the owner, and it has been bored right through. So again, a lot of times because they act so slowly and people want instant results, they bore them out thinking it's clogged. In fact, they have some sort of ball-centered mechanism in them that restricts the vacuum flow. In any case, we've gone through this unit just like the other, completely rebuilt it. This is POR 15 black coat. It's UV proof. We've enhanced all of the badges by back coating them and sanding out the face and clear coating them with a good fuel proof clear. This is all of our hardware here going out to the unit. So we're going to apply some vacuum to it right now and see what kind of results we get on this unit after. Oh, I have to mention one other thing. The pump valves on there's an 1/8 of an inch rod that goes up and down in here, and this one we electroplated the pump valve to make up for wear. This one was a bitch. It had it was at least 6/1000ths of an inch out. An oil slick is a 0.5 of an inch. We electroplated the piston on this thing many times in a combination of copper, zinc, copper, zinc, copper, zinc. Finally brought it up so it wouldn't go in the hole at all. Then sanded it down to just a slip fit. And now, go ahead. Let's see what kind of results we get. Now we already started to pump it, but now we're going to continue with the pumping operation. Okay, that's good enough. Now, although the other one pegged the needle, it has a better pump in it than this one. But you know what? I mean, this is over 500 psi, and some of the needles. These two units were not exactly the same. Some of the needles are suspended with two springs in them. One limits the amount of pressure that it can put out because it limits the plunge action of the valve. And because these are two different pumps, it's very likely that the spring mechanism in this limits it. But 500 psi, that's beyond what you need. In any case, sorry about the long video. That's our story. We're sticking to it.